Hi, it's Evie, Mr. Spiegelberg's daughter, and I will be showing you how to split screen. So the first thing that you want to do is get the app that you want to be split screened into your dock. And the way how you do that is you go into the app super quickly. You don't have to be there that long. That'll be enough time. You can even do it a little quicker. And you just go in and out, press the home button, in, out, done. And then it'll be in your bar. So I went into the calculator, and now the calculator app is down here. That's all you need to do to get the split screen setup done. Now you need to go into the app that you want it to be split screen. So say I'm doing a math test. Go into Notability, and then double tap the home button. So now it is right here. And then even if it's like all the way over here, you're fine. It's fine. You can still use it. Then hold on to the app, go in, and drop it. That was too quick. Go in, hold it. So you go in, wait until it has that square, then you can drop it, and there it is. That's how you do it. And then super easy. You can use the Notability, you can use the calculator, just like so, there. And then it works. You can move it, say I want to see the end of the number line of number 6, you can easily move the calculator over. So now you can see the whole thing. If you don't need the calculator for that problem or whatever you need to use the calculator for, you can easily grab onto the side and then slide it off, just like so. If you want to use the calculator again, super easy. You don't have to repeat the whole process. You can just slide it back over. So and that's basically it. You can use it for any app, super easy, use the same process. Now I'm going to give you a little bonus. So say I want Notability and Schoology to be bigger. I want to go into Schoology, and easy enough, my Schoology is right here. So what you do is you go into your Schoology or Notability or whatever, go in, make sure that the app is again in your dock, grab onto it just like so, grab onto it, then go in, hold it, instead of just dropping it in the middle, slide it over to the side. Now both are blurry, so then you can just drop it and then it's split evenly. So you can draw on here and then you can also read, and this works perfectly fine. If you want one to be smaller, you can just drag it over a little bit. And you can do the same thing on either side, or you can just have it in the middle. And then again, if you want it to be off, you just slide it over to the side and it works fine. But the bad part about this one is it's really good. You just can't slide it over again. You can't slide it over. So now that I slid Notability away, you have to restart the whole process. Instead of like the calculator, you just slide it. Thanks for listening. I really hope it helps. Bye.